If you're over 40 and wake up feeling like you've been hit by a truck, this 10-minute morning routine will change everything for you. I'm Dr. Anthony Balduzzi, and in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact mobility drills that have helped thousands of busy parents over age 40 go from morning stiffness to feeling 20 years younger. Here's what we're covering today: the spinal wave that unlocks your entire back in just 30 seconds, the hip liberation sequence that eliminates that tight, creaky feeling in your hips, and the morning reset protocol that takes less time than your morning coffee routine and delivers results that actually last for the entire day. But here's the thing that most people don't realize: the morning stiffness isn't just about age, it's about what's happening inside your body while you were sleeping, and more importantly, what you can do about it in the next 10 minutes to turn things around. Stick around, because at the end, I'm gonna show you how to stack these drills into one simple habit routine that multiplies their effectiveness dramatically. Understand this: your body isn't broken. After 7 to 8 hours of not moving, your fascia, think of it as your body's shrink wrap, has literally tightened up. Your lymphatic system, where all the fluid is flowing through, is not flowing and needs to be pumped, and these drills are about unlocking the fascia, moving fluid through your body so you feel so much better. You don't necessarily have a flexibility problem, you just need to follow along in the next 5 minutes to get your body flowing better. So, we'll start with standing. This is called the spinal wave, and it's gonna wake up every vertebrae in your spine one by one. Chin to chest first, then roll down one vertebrae at a time. Feel each section of your spine moving independently. This isn't about touching your toes, it's about mobility through each segment consciously. Roll yourself back up the same way. That's 1 rep. Do 5 slow controlled waves like this. Next, we're gonna unlock those hip joints. Hands on your hips, make a slow, deliberate circle. But here's the key: you're not just moving your hips, you're creating space in the joint through this big circular motion. 5 circles in each direction. You feel that hip socket open up, feel like you're creating a big circle. Now we add rotation. Arms crossed over the chest, feet planted. This is pure spinal rotation, not moving from the hips. Hold for 2 seconds, take a deep breath in this position. Feel that gentle stretch through your entire torso, then twist left, same thing. Take a deep breath, do 5 reps in each direction. Now we're gonna move down on all fours for the dynamic cat-cow. This isn't your typical yoga version. We're adding a pause at the end position of the cat and the cow. I first want you to arch up to the angry cat. Hold that top position for 3 seconds, really pushing your hands to the floor. And then drop into the cow pose. And when you're on the bottom, hold for 3 seconds as well. Feel that stretch, and then move to the other motion for 6 total reps. Now we're gonna step into lunge position. This is about targeting those hip flexors that get super tight from all the sitting that most of us do. So as we step into this lunge, instead of just holding, we're gonna do some pulsing of your muscles. You're gonna contract your glute and your hamstring in this position, driving your heel to the floor, feeling that stretch on the front and the back side of your hip. We're gonna do 10 contractions, about 1 second each contraction, then we're gonna switch sides and do the other side in the same way. Okay, now we're gonna get back to the floor and we're gonna sit cross-legged as best as you can. We're gonna put one hand behind you and one hand on the opposite knee. We're gonna rotate and look behind you. This is spinal rotation. You're gonna hold this back position for 5 seconds, take a few breaths, and really feel that stretch and that twist through your mid-back. And you're gonna switch sides. We're really opening the thoracic vertebrae that get locked down from lack of thoracic spine rotation and all the desk work. Now we're gonna move into the 90-90 position. Both knees are bent at 90 degrees, and we're working on that front glute to open up the glute in the piriformis. If this is uncomfortable, you can put a pillow anywhere that feels good to modify as needed. Now you're gonna lean forward slightly onto your front leg and glute. This is opening up that hip capsule gently. You're gonna hold that stretch for about 30 seconds before switching to the next side. Now back to standing. I wanna put your hands onto your lower back. And as you do this, you're gonna do gentle extension backwards, very slowly, activating the glutes using the hands for support. This small controlled movement, hold it for about 3 seconds in extension, and then return to neutral. You're gonna do 5 reps of this total. Now we're not gonna neglect your foundation. which is your feet, your ankles, and your calves. I want you to balance on one foot and lift one foot up, and make 5 circles of your ankle in each direction, and then 5 circles in the other direction. Then you're gonna switch and do the other side in the same way. Now, if you can also do a calf stretch against the wall. Super important because so many of us have tight calves, and that can actually contribute to ankle and knee pain. Now, one final drill combines everything. I want you to reach up tall and do a slight bend to the right, and then come back to the center, then a slight bend to the left, back to center, and then do a forward fold, and then roll back up. This is your full body integration. We're gonna do 3 reps, right, left, forward fold, and right back up. As you follow this routine, here's what's happening inside your body. You've just increased synovial fluid production. That's the joint lubricant inside all of your joints. You've activated your proprioception, which is your brain and your body's positional sense of where you are in space. And you've told your nervous system it's time to wake up, connect neurologically, move efficiently, and you've increased blood flow. This is not just about feeling better through your will, it's about longevity through motion, the natural motion your body wants to do. And every morning, if you do some version of this routine, even taking a few of these exercises that feel the best for you, you'll be able to move well in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. All right, so let's recap your 10-minute morning mobility drills. Number 1, the spinal wave. Into hip circles. Into the morning twist. Dynamic cat-cow. Hip flexor wake up. Seated spinal rotation. Hip opener, standing back extension, ankle circles with the calf stretch, and the full body reset that integrates the right, left, and the forward fold. When it comes to the body and aging well, motion is lotion. And I know you're busy, and I know you understand from an intellectual level that doing movement like this is good for you, but we need to make it a habit. So what I highly recommend is you do this in the morning, first thing, before your busy day gets ahead of you. And so it could be as simple as getting up, getting your morning water in, 16 to 32 ounces of water with a pinch of minerals, and you get straight to the movement. Even doing 1 or 2 of these exercises is so good for you. It gets the blood flowing, gets everything moving, and it's a simple action you can take early in the day that builds momentum for more positive habits later. I promise you, on the days you do a little bit of movement in the morning like this, you're gonna feel better, which makes it more likely that you're gonna exercise, which makes it more likely that you're gonna eat healthier, and everything starts to stack. And of course, if you want help integrating all of this into a simple step-by-step system designed for busy people over 40 with aging metabolisms, aging joints, who wanna lose weight, lose fat, build muscle, and actually be sustainable with this health stuff, then check out our Fit Father and Fit Mother Foundations programs. It's a 6-week program where me and my expert team, we walk you through all of this stuff in such a simple and powerful process. You can see some of the results right here that our members get, life-changing stuff, through foundations of the right kinds of recipes and eating plans, follow-along workouts, guidance on supplementation, and real accountability and support from people who really care about you, who want you to succeed, and have helped thousands of people just like you do so. So check out our websites, fitfather.com and fitmother.com, to learn more about our programs and do this routine. And also let me know any other mobility exercises that you do that you really like. There's more that I could have included, like hanging from a bar, inversion table, backwards walking. The point is, I want you to move. I want you to move early in the day. Your body's gonna feel so much better. This is Dr. Balduzzi signing off. Thanks for being here today, my friend. I hope you do this, and please comment below and like this video if you found this valuable. I'll see you around the channel, and we'll talk to you very soon.